Hi everybody and welcome to your channel Simple and Easy English. Today we are going to talk about
daily routines for school.
daily routines for school part 2.
I go to school. I go to school.
I go to school.
I have classes. I have classes.
I have classes.
I eat lunch. I have lunch.
I eat lunch. I have lunch.
I finish school at 3. I finish school at 3.
I finish school at 3.
I go home. I go home.
I go home.
I do my homework. I do my homework.
I do my homework.
Let's practice. Which is correct? I watch TV. I brush my teeth. I cook dinner. I get up.
I get up.
I have dinner.
I have dinner.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I have lunch.
I have lunch.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I fall asleep.
I fall asleep.
I answer emails.
I answer emails.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
I turn off my alarm.
I turn off my alarm.
I start work at 9.
I start work at 9.
I go home.
I go home.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I feed the dog.
I feed the dog.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I have a shower.
I have a shower.